Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression. Please subscribe our channel to give me energy to continue. So 18 divided 18 minus 12 times 3 divided by 9. Okay, 18 minus 12 gives us 6. 6 times 3 gives us 18. And now 18 divided by 9 gives us 2. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. According to this rule, we have one multiplication here and one division here that we have to solve these first. So, as you know, multiplication and division are equally important, so we have to solve from left to right. Now, 12 times 3 gives us 36. Now, 36 divided by 9 gives us 4. Now, let's rewrite the expression. 18 minus 4. That this expression is equals to 14. The final answer is 14. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and please subscribe our channel.